Good afternoon. You are watching News Adso live from Wisdomia Television. My name is Aromi Olaide. Here are the news headlines. Israel set to allow aid into Gaza. Ipob attacks Supreme Court over Nnamdi Kanu judgments. Israel approved Friday the temporary delivery of aid into Gaza through its Karim Shalom border crossing. The Prime Minister's office said opening a new route for supplies after weeks of pressure. The Gaza Strip is facing dire humanitarian conditions after more than 2 months of war, but before Friday's decision, all aid entering the territory had to pass through the Rafah crossing on its border with Egypt. Kerem Shalom, which sits on Gaza's border with Israel, recently began inspecting shipments of aid bound for the territory, but the trucks still had to travel to Rafah afterwards to enter. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office said in a statement that Israel's cabinet approved the temporary measure of unloading the trucks on the Gaza side of the Kerem Shalom crossing in order to increase the amount of aid getting into the territory. The Indigenous People of Biafra, Ipob, has said the judgment of the Supreme Court on Friday, which referred its leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case back to the High Court, is a plot to keep him in prison. The group called on the international community to take note, saying that if any breakdown of order happens in Nigeria during this period, the Supreme Court justices should be held responsible. In a press release signed by the group's publicity secretary, Mr. Emma Powerful, Ipob said for the Supreme Court to move the case due for judgment back to a lower court is a scripted comedy scheme to delay and deny Mazi Nnamdi Kanu justice. The biased and teleguided Supreme Court judgment against Mazi Nnamdi shows that Supreme Court justices are colluding with the Nigerian government to perpetrate injustice against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Ipob. The group also accused President Bola Tinubu of pursuing an ethnic agenda against Igbos. Yeah, at the New Zealand once again. Israel said to allow aid into Gaza. Ipob attacks Supreme Court over Nnamdi Kanu judgments. And that will be all for this afternoon. Thank you for staying tuned. I am Aromi Olaide. Have a good afternoon.